Let's go. Six. Got a modded Aurora here. Slightly modded anyway. Another one. Get your quick cab view. (2008) install. Since up 6, so let's attempt to get the other one. Get your ride from 2 to 6. How's that sound? Levels with a lot of hesitation there. I mean, it eventually gets it pretty accurate, but definitely a bit of re-leveling. And ThyssenKrupps of this era weren't the greatest elevators. I mean, look at like a 17-year-old elevator getting all of its fixtures replaced, which I guess isn't that unusual, but for the most part that was done within 10 years. That was pretty quick going down though.